just want to learn this language or any other language, he should. It is not enough for that he or she should be interested. He and she should be committed. If you are interested, so somewhere you can think that now I will do practice later. Okay, but if you are committed, so you have no option. If you are committed, so you have to do your practice by hook or by crook, because commitment is something. Yes, commitment is better than your interest. Your interest may fall down, but if you
So
are
how,
committed,
ma'am,
your commitment will not
how,
fall down.
how should we build commitment? You can give me example a little bit.
Yeah, commitment is a promise. Just set your why. That why do you want to learn this English? If you have proper why, if you have fixed why, and in your why there are emotion, there are your faith, that yes, this is the thing for which I have to learn English. And if I know that there are numerous people who would see others speaking English, so that time they think that I also want to speak like this. Okay, but that
Yeah,
is their interest, that is not their commitment. When you are just promising yourself that by hook or by crook I have to learn this English, I have to learn this language, I have to speak this, and I have to just finish this thing at that time. When you are commitment, so you are making plans. But if you are not commitment, you are practicing randomly, and random practice don't give too much that a committed practice give you. Yes.
yeah. Very
So
nice.
just make a promise with yourself. Yes, be committed.
So actually I have to become a blogger in English field, especially how to
Mm.
learn English, as well as I have to manage a public place and I have to speak English in the public so that I get a motivation also, and as well as definitely many kind of person will follow me, because
Yes.
English is nowadays important, and I can become a international level blogger. Like,
Yes. Yes. Sure. Why not? Yes.
so that's why I am learning English, and actually I am a safety engineer. Right
Mm.
now
So
I am
that is your
working.
why, na? That is your why. Just love your why. That this is the reason I have to become a world class YouTuber. So I need to do this thing, this much practice. So just maintain a proper timetable. Okay, if
I
you
have to
just
manage.
want to work, yes, if you just
I will
want
have.
to work on your pronunciation, just choose any five words that you are speaking wrong, and try to speak those five words pronunciation with the help of Chat GPT or Google devices, and speak multiple time. Okay, if suppose if you are taking one particular word, so speak that multiple time. Okay, yeah, just say like one word is there, schedule. So whatever accent you want to speak, just speak multiple time, like schedule. In the same way, if you want to say schedule, so schedule. These both are correct
Every time
pronunciation.
practice, schedule means
Yes,
practice.
yes,
How to
yes.
actually song तोड़ना है इसे, थॉट को
Uh,
तोड़ना है, मतलब जुबान को
you have
तोड़ना
to
है
break.
वर्ड मीनिंग,
Yes, you have to break it. Yes.
ब्रेक इट. Yes, ma'am. Basically,
Yes.
nowadays English is most important, and many kind of person are trying to speak English. So English is you can speak international language. So that's why I created a one channel English learning blog, so that I want to become a best blogger, uh, whole the all overall all world. Okay, and as well as how to speak English fluency and without any hesitation. on the public place, because right now I am talking to you through the mobile, through the network, so I can talk to you easily without any without getting nervous.
Hmm.
Okay. But everybody will go any place and suppose that you have to speak about the any topic. So when you will see any kind of person, so during while talking about your thought, about your means about your practice, so definitely anybody uh, get a nervous. So this is very mm, problem. So
Yes.
in this way, anybody can learn English, understand English, and speak English, but anybody can't speak English without any hesitation on the public place. So that's why I created, and right now I am trying to speak English. Okay, and actually myself Prince Moja, belong from Bihar.
Yeah, actually, this is the main obstacle of speaking English, that people feel hesitation, and it this hesitation will remove when we are just start to face those problems, to face the people, to face the situation, and we think that nothing is big, everyone is equal. So that time we can say that we are totally ready to remove our hesitation. But to remove our hesitation, we need to face the problem, to face the difficulties, and it will come true when we are practicing on daily basis. Because if we are not facing camera on daily basis, so somewhere we are just indulging ourselves into not practicing. And when we are not practicing, how we can say that we will be able to remove our hesitation? So to get something, it is important uh, to just take that thing positively and just start. Give a good start. If you are not starting something, so how you can get any result? First start speaking. Speaking is everything, because if we are not speaking, so how we can learn this language? First, we have to open our mouth to speak in English.
But it's a naturally mistake you can speak, because
Hmm.
when you learn any other language, so while talking, while connect to the every person, definitely you can get nervous. Okay, but I want to speak like this. I want to say like this. You have to speak English, not myself. I have to speak English with another person in
Hmm.
front of many kind of person.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
so in this way, what should I do?
Yes, if we are speaking in public, so first of all, we need to remove our hesitation and we need to boost up confidence. And if we are just coming with the people with confidence, so they are willing to talk with us. Okay. And another thing is that your appearance. When you are good looking and when you are confident with your appearance, so you are always ready to face the people, and you are always ready to have a good conversation. You would feel if you are sitting at home in your trouser and t-shirts, you can say in your casuals, and somebody very special one come into your house, enter into your house. So you always feel sometimes that how I will just face this one, this person who could be your boss, or who could be anything that is superior to you. So that time appearance also take measure steps. Yes. So it is important if we think that we are speaking in front of others, and if we are feeling that yes, I am confident enough and I can speak with confidence. So that enhance and that helps you in boosting your confidence as well as your ability, that how able you are in front of others, and how beautifully you are just expressing your ideas, your thoughts in front of others, how beautifully you are conveying them.
Yeah, it's most important. So how to actually English is such as the language anybody can learn. It's very easy language, but pronunciation it's difficult. I think. Okay,
Yes,
you can learn English through the
pronunciation.
from grammar. Okay, but while speaking English, the pronunciation I mistake also pronunciation. So
It
whatever
is
you speak, how to
we can
remove
say
hesitation,
pronunciation.
it was a wonder. Okay, but I agree to you. But pronunciation, because pronunciation is also this matter. Uh, while speaking English, 2 and 3%, yeah, suppose that I'm making a blog, so I have to connect to the every time another person, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20.
Mm.
So when I see among people, so I little bit I pronunciation, I mistake pronunciation.
Hmm.
What meaning?
Yes, yes. Actually, when we just want to speak, so first of all, we need to build up our vocabulary, because the vocabulary is important to maintain the building. Okay, if your vocabulary is less, so how you will maintain a big ball? No, how you will maintain a big ball, and it will you will not be able to create that mention. But if you have good vocabulary, you can start with and you can speak nicely and you can convey your message in proper way. And other thing, as you were talking about pronunciation. First of all, this word is also little tricky. When people say, people always join this word with pronoun. The word is pronoun, and mostly people say pronunciation. Yeah, pronunciation, but is it is pronunciation. Pra nun, nun, that is in the church we can say so pra nun, pronunciation. And when we
Pronunciation.
speak, pronunciation. Okay, so
Pronunciation.
when we speak like this, and when we speak right English, so people also get impressed because they think that know the rule of English very well, and it gives you accuracy as well as it gives you righteousness, that whatever you are learning, it is good and it is correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to speak you because I recognize this mistake because there is a practice issue. I think, according
Yes.
to me, practice issue because I don't make a video on the public place every day. So this is practice issue. Right now, I'm talking to you very well without any hesitation and as well as mistaking.
Yes. Yes, it is all about practice. It is a game of practice. When we are practicing on daily basis, so we are confident, and simultaneously we are ready to speak with stranger as well. And practicing always helps us in learning new things and in gaining confidence, and as well as in improving our those areas in which we are lacking in.